Now, how can you use a game mode on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, do not hesitate and subscribe right now because I have so many tutorials which you're gonna find helpful. So the game mode can be found inside of your settings app, and if you scroll down just a bit more, you'll be able to find the focus section. And for me, gaming mode is part of these focus modes, but if you do not see it, just tap on the plus button and choose the gaming mode right here, which should most definitely appear. But when you get inside, you can see that it is a focus mode, which is like dedicated to gaming experience. So it essentially works like that you set up which notifications from which apps are allowed, which are blocked, and the same thing for people, like your contacts. You decide which people can or cannot get in touch with you while you're playing the game. What's interesting and kind of important is when you scroll below, there is the schedule. And you have some options, like you can basically decide that, for example, you choose a specific app. So whenever you open up a game of your choice, the mode will be turned on automatically. But there are also some other schedules available, like connecting a wireless controller makes sense because you can just connect your PS4 or Xbox controller through Bluetooth to the iPhone, and your phone will know that you're about to play a game and it will enable this mode. Same thing for the smart activation, which is kind of useful. You don't really see how it works, but your phone kind of knows that when you open up a game, it's going to turn it on automatically. But that's how it works. Other than that, there isn't really much else to it. Let me know if you managed to set it up successfully on your device. But I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.